question for you. Would you help a stranger to unload a sofa from a truck without getting paid for it? My name is Giuseppe Conti. I'm a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. My guess is that most of you will indeed be willing to help a stranger to unload the sofa. Now imagine this other type of scenario, that this stranger is prepared to offer you a very small compensation for doing this work. Will you still be willing to do it? I guess that you will be less motivated to do it. Now, in our daily life, we operate either under social norms or under market norms. When we are operating under social norms, we are prepared to help a friend, a neighbor, or a complete stranger to do something without expecting anything in return. On the other side, when money is mentioned, then we start operating under market norms. And then we want to get a fair compensation for our work, and we are unwilling to do it if the compensation is not fair. Let me share with you an example from real life, a mistake that I made several years ago at the beginning of my training activity. I was launching an open enrollment workshop, an advanced negotiation workshop in Zurich. My network in Zurich was limited, so I invited 4 senior procurement executives to act as guest speakers in my workshop, and of course I was counting on their network and their help in order to attract people to my workshop. And then I had a very bad idea. I offered to those 4 senior procurement executives 20% of the ticket price whenever they helped me to bring somebody into the workshop. The result? They stopped to help me out. Because as I was mentioning money, and 20% of a ticket price is not much money for a senior procurement executive, then they stopped helping because they were not anymore into the social norms where they had to help me out to launch the workshop. Let's apply this idea also to your sentimental life. If you are taking a date to an expensive restaurant, never mention the price of the bill. And remember, it is okay to offer your date 50 euros of flour. It's not okay to offer your date 50 euros. For more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.